Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to cast an Android mobile phone screen to PC laptop. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to your PC or your laptop and then tap on the Windows icon that appears on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll be able to see a gear icon which is settings. Simply click on it. Now go ahead and click on System Settings. Under System Settings, you'll be able to see projecting to this PC option. Simply click on it. Now go ahead and make sure that this option is turned on. If it is always off, go ahead and enable it. After you've turned this feature on, head over to your mobile phone, and on your mobile phone you'll be able to see a cast option. Most Android phones these days offer a cast option, so go ahead and scroll down from above and then swipe to the left. You'll be able to see a cast option. Simply long press on it and toggle the switch to turn on this feature. After that, your desktop name or your PC name will show up. Simply tap on it. Now on your PC, allow your Android phone to project onto your device. Click on OK. Now as you can see, the projection has started. Projection has been enabled from your Android phone to your PC. Now to turn off your casting, simply head on to your Android phone and turn this feature off. Scroll down from above, swipe to the left and tap on the cast option to disable this option. Now casting or projecting will be turned off on your PC. And finally, this is how you can project from your Android phone to your PC or your laptop. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.